Hi guys, my name is Ayush Awaz Salim and you start to watching my YouTube channel SAK Creation. So guys, in this blouse designs we have tell you everything about Ari work and best easy tips and trick, and I want to tell you how to make your own blouse design at your home. So right now we are stitching on the front neck, and look at this. First we are stitching one sugar beads line, then we are stitching one piping dory inside the load, because when you are not stitching piping dory, so I think your silk load looking not good. Okay, and the needle is a 7 number. No, it's not 7 number, it's do tar needle. It's only for stitching like thread work, zigzag, and any other work to related thread work. Okay, it's a very useful needle if you are a beginner, so I think this needle very good for you. And I have one more suggestion for you guys. You don't need to use wooden needle. Okay, because you have beginner, you don't have any idea how to put this needle in your hand, so I think you will break the needles. So first you learn this work with iron needle, then you gain some experience about Ari work, so then you need to stitching with the wooden needle. Okay, always remember. And when you are stitching like this, you also remember you are not doing wrong thing between gap silk load. Okay, all gap look like same, so I think then your blouse design looking very gorgeous. Okay, so now we are start to stitching 3 number moti inside the stone chain, and this needle is a 7 number wooden needle with the gold plated. And in this needle, when you use, because you need some experience, this needle very soft and also very sharp. Okay, always remember. And first you are filling the all needle with this 3 number moti, then you need to stitching straight. Okay, and also remember one more thing guys, you don't need to take one time in a 3 moti 4 moti, you just drop one by one moti. So if you stitching that type, so your blouse looking very beautiful and also very strong stitching. Okay, and it's going long time. If you are stitching like in a one hook with the 3 moti, so I think this is not a good idea, and also this is not a good work. Okay, so now we are on the back and start to stitching some stone chain line inside the 3 number moti. And first we are stitching, look at this whole border. First we are stitching one sugar beads line, then silk thread load, and more 3 number moti, then stone chain, and sugar beads, and now we are stitching stone chain, one more stone chain. And look at this, you don't need to do fast, you just first you just learn this work, then you gain your speed. Okay, because and if you learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We are also taking online classes. Okay, and look at these blouse designs we are making. This is a very latest blouse designs of all time, and my channel is most viewed my big video in that design, because this is a very famous design in my all entire blouse designs collection. Okay, so now we are start to printing on the back neck. Back have a just a leaf border on the back neck, and main work is in these blouse designs on the sleeves, like some boxes and transparent stitching and many more, like zigzag and flower, silk thread flowers, and many more work on the sleeves. And we are just stitching on the border on the back neck, and border like two combination color, like one self, one gold color. And also your blouse also depending on your combination, if your blouse design combination was good, so I think your blouse also looking very good. Okay, so now we are printing with the dry chalk, and like if you stitching some a little bit work like one flower, two flowers, so it's good with the dry chalk. If you stitching like big work, so you need to liquid chalk. Okay, look at this. So now we are start to stitching load. This is a very unique load, and look at this. First we are stitching inside the load big dory. We are also stitching on the neck border, then I already show you. And now we are stitching on the back also. And in these blouse designs, look at this, all combination color is a very unique, and also these all material are original quality, that's why this blouse design shining more. Okay, and look at this flower, it's look like computer work, but it's not. This is a very unique work, and I think you never seen before that type of work. This is a very beautiful, and look at this inside the flower. We are start to stitching some touch up with the pink color, and look at this. We are taking one hook downside, and then we are start ending on the top of the flower. Look at this. This flower will totally change with the some combination zigzag. Look at this, very beautiful and very attractive work. And these blouse designs was a all time viral design of my entire blouse designs collection. Okay, and these are silk thread was a very soft, and if you are beginner you don't need to use this needle, and this silk thread you need to some thick thread, so I think you will face no more difficulties. Okay, and look at this, we are also stitching silk thread leaf, and now we are stitching sugar beads all around the leaf. And look at these flowers, look, it's very beautiful. And when this blouse design was completed, I'll show you everything. It's very beautiful. And also this is a sample front of you guys. And if you want to give order, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. We are making 100% good quality work, and same as it is we are give you. We are not do any cheating. We are just show you everything relate to my RE work and my quality. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you want this, please do WhatsApp. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some flowers outline, because when you are start to stitching flowers, first you need to stitching flower exact line. What is the flower exact line? Look at this. This is a complete stone line, silk thread line, flower line. Look at this. That's why your flower look like very clearly. So you need very easy tips like piping dory. Then you are start to stitching same as it is. We are also stitching on the back neck. Okay, look at this. Here we already done these flowers, and we are start to stitching with other sleeves. Look at this, we are stitching this all sleeves like that type flower, and now we are start to stitching flower. And this needle was a dotar needle. It's very useful for beginner. And guys, if you face any type of difficulties to learn this work, please join my classes. We are taking classes on Google Meet, morning 10 to 11, week 6 days. Every class is a 1 hour. We will teach you in 1 hour, and you need to practice the all time. So I think you need you learn very fast, and also you learn a very good quality work. And if you need any type of help, and if you not afford the classes fees, you just watch my all YouTube tutorials. So I think you learn easily. Okay, so now we are start to stitching top of the sleeves work, and look at this. And this is a second day, not a same day. And this blouse design I'll just show you 13 minutes full tutorial, but actual this is not a reality. Some designs were taking 2-3 days for completed, because this is a full stitching work, not any type of any work sticking. It's a fully stitching. Blouse designs have a more options like sticking, stitching, French knots, and many more type, but stitching was too much difficult and also taking too much time for complete. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some zigzag downside of the border and sleeves. And look at this zigzag, it's called zigzag like 2 thread, one self and one also gold zigzag. We never stitching zigzag in a single color. We also use 2 color, because when you are stitching 2 color zigzag, so I think it's looking very attractive and also looking very beautiful. Look at this, we are stitching zigzag with the gold and also multicolor badla. Badla is a different type of silk thread, but it's very useful for stitching like zigzag with the dota needle. Zigzag is a very beautiful work, and also it's very attractive. And look at this, when we are completed these whole designs, you look at this, very beautiful and also very awesome. Now we are start to stitching the main work. First we are sticking all around this gap some fabric rails, and also for a dry fabrics. Look at this, when you do that type, so I think your fabric was too much tight with the glue, then you cut easily. Okay, you also remember you don't need to cut first first you sticking some glue on the plain cloth, then your plain cloth was some stick and also tight, then you cut with the scissor. Look at this. And you don't need to cut first you are sticking some kundans, no, not kundans, some glue on the dry fabrics, then your fabric was done, then you cutting this, that type. Okay, and same as it is we are cutting, and then we are stitching the main and very attractive look, the entire blouse designs, like transparent zigzag. Okay, so look at this. Now we are start to stitching some straight line for boxes, and some my family members not understanding what is the actually work. This is a very time taking work, and it's a little bit, and you can see this little bit gap. We are filling this gap with maximum 3 hours in a one side. So you think 2 sleeves maximum 6 hours. It's a very difficult, and everyone not do this, that type of work. If you want to do that type of work, you need to learn so much and also taking too much time. So I'll show you the main work. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some net work. It's very transparent and very beautiful work, and last my videos you give me very good response, that's why I'll make that blouse designs one more time. And it's very beautiful blouse designs. I love these blouse designs, and also you love this. And if anyone want to buy this blouse design and customize to your own size, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. We are making same as it is your size. Okay, I'll show you the final blouse designs look. Okay, wait a second guys. And also if you need any help, you just WhatsApp on the same number. And if you face any difficulties to understand my English, so please forgive me as you like little brother, because I'm a new in English. Okay, so this is a final blouse design look. Look at this blouse design. It's a very gorgeous, very beautiful, very beautiful. Look at this work quality, and also tell me guys how is my work quality, and also tell me how is my explanation quality. If I'll do any mistake of my in my between my explanation, so please forgive me, because I am not good in English, but I know that I'm doing so much mistake between to my explanation, but I'll try my best guys, because my lots of family members does not understand Hindi, so that's why I'll decide to explain my whole videos English. Okay, so look at this, and this is a sleeves, and this is a back neck. Look at this, very beautiful, very gorgeous blouse designs. If you want these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We have all entire color collections. You just tell me which color you want. If possible, you send me your fabric in my site. Is not possible, so please just tell me which color. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please subscribe, press the bell icon. Bye, take care.